Welcome, TWF viewers, ladies and gentlemen, bums of all ages, Trash Can Peanut and Lieutenant Brick! For the first time in years, folks, it's time for one of the biggest events in TWF history, the Royal Fumble Tag Team Championship. And rightly royal this time, literally, Dick Thompson, because this time we're broadcasting live from Castle Porpistan's viewing balcony, the one overlooking the courtyard for tonight's bout. Ah yes, I've been sampling the local cuisine so much I'd nearly forgotten, Colonel. Thanks for reminding me. Tonight's match is a special one indeed, folks. The winner will be crowned king and or queen of the fairy tale kingdom of Porpistan. International Crossing Alert! On to the march! That's right, on to the... Hey, wait a minute. Ladies and gentlemen, in this corner, for the mighty Dexterras, two international powerhouses of epic proportions, the thumb who always strives to send his opponents back to the future, and the princess of premier acrobat of the proud nation of Porpistan, Adam Block and Pepe the Purple Panda! Adam and Pepe have been on their best run this season, blasting opponents left, right and centre. With Adam's times powers combined with Pepe's grace and agility, I shouldn't doubt they'll be crushing their opponents' hopes, not to mention their heads. All clockwork is this side of Porpistan, let me hear you scream! The princess commands you! For the fate of the TWF, and the sake of my people, go Dexterras! What a team! And in this corner, for the evil Sinistras, a terrifying partnership that terrifies all ships on Porpistani waters. The sinister swashbuckler who'll make you walk up before the plague faster than you can say, "Hey, shiver me timbers!" And the primal warrior who'll run you over like a freight train and then ask you what a freight train is. Captain Carpal and the Lost Viking! Folks, when a pirate and a Viking put aside their rather minimal differences and join forces, you know things are gonna get nasty. Pirates and Viking are still superior to ninja any day! Look at the evil land lubbers! The sacking of Porpistan has arrived! By Odin's mighty beard, we shall be victorious! I will ravage the villages to the ground! Aye, don't you be giving us those nasty stares, or you'll be getting a cannonball to the face, yar!
Right? Cannonball to the face, right?
Yes, I already know what I said, Polly, you needn't repeat it! Dexterras, Sinistras, thumbs up, bro! Lock 'em up! 4, 3, 2, 1, who will be the strongest hum? Avast ye Dexterra landlubber, ye be not but a bill drive for me to crush in this bout, yar! Oh, please, Captain. A perplexing maneuver from Adam Larkwalk, followed by a New York knuckle from Captain Carpal. Time to throw this little fish back into the sea. Captain Carpal is caught! Yes, indeed, Colonel. Adam and Larkwalk is Captain Carpal on the ropes. Give it up, Carpal. With me on you, you're not tagging out. Viking, I need ye. I'm ready, Captain Carpal. Tag me out, and I'll pound this Dexterra back to the Iron Age. Ow! You're stronger than you look, punk. Have you never seen a Viking before? I have every strength for my time. Your time, my pinky. You stand no chance when I've beaten back the likes of the big time. But the big time hasn't burned villagers to the ground. For God of the blood of the ice trolls. A crippling blow from the Lost Viking. Adam and Larkwalk's gonna feel that one for a while. Pepe, ready to tag in. I am always ready to defend my nation. And here we are. All four wrestlers are now in the ring. Slowly, Sinistra, you'll never defeat me, but today I fight for my noble subjects. We love your princess, hey, but you're all in charge for 1,000 years. By the blood of the ice trolls. Round 1 is over and things have started to boil over. Everyone wants the title and who can blame them? But in the end, there can only be 2 winners. Porpistan's beauty almost distracts me from crushing. And I think it could well have been me in some other life. Wouldn't get too caught up in daydreams, Colonel. Round 2 is about to start. Whoa! A bludgeoning blow from the lost Viking! His strength is undeniable! Captain Carpal's fishy smell is also undeniable! And here we go! Animal Logbox going for the alarm clocker! Oh, but the lost Viking reverses him! Vile pirate! Scourge of the oceans of Pakistan! You shall never triumph this day! I wouldn't be too sure about that, me dear! Yowzers! The Carpal cutlass! And it looks like Pepe's in trouble! Viking! Hold her down for me, would ya? I'm having problems of my own here! Look, it's a coward! Teleporting away like that! He must be in weak position! Oh, you just shut up! You were never any better in the ring! Oh, and mind the Warhammer. The Warhammer! Went to bet he meant that one, Colonel. The time is now, Adam, as Princess and Honorary Knight of Pakistan, it falls to us to punish these transgressors. Punish these transgressors? Who's on you, you blasted bird? And I already know what she said, you needn't repeat it. Enough talk. Time for me to call timeout on you pushovers. It's pandemonium in the ring! The lost Viking has gone into a berserker Viking frenzy! Such grace! Such style! But Adam Logbox teleports to the last second and... Whoa! The lost Viking pummels into Captain Carpal and calls timeout on his own teammate! Oops. It's a good thing I'm wearing a helmet. Such a trap! And now we come to the final stages of the legendary Battle for Pakistan. The Sinistras have the edge on paper, but the Dexteras aren't about to take this one lying down. It would make for pretty boring crushing if they did. So, buddies, you're hungry for more punishment? Actually, I'm just hungry. Haven't had a decent meal ever since we left port. Yah-ha-ar! But they shan't be for much longer. Hunger! Once we win this match, this country will become the largest pirate haven in the world. And I'll pass the Pakistanis to make our rum, refreshments, and cookies instead! Oh no, I'm allergic to cookies! We are a princess! We are not my noble subjects. Bring me the royal scepter of Pakistan! Serica boy! The royal scepter of Pakistan is only to be used in case of national emergency! Colonel, how do we even know that? Knowledge, Dick! And the lost Viking draws his battle axe and charges the Pepe, who skillfully dodges swipe after swipe at the axe. He pulls back, but Pepe parries. Adam! What are you liking? Time for you to get a timeout! Animal Logbox going for the alarm clock locker. Cover your ears, and Pepe pins the lost Viking! Worry not, my noble subjects. Only one more speck of unseaworthy Pelacton stands between us and safety. What? Calling me Pelacton is bad enough, but say a pirate not be seaworthy be the biggest insult in piratedom. So I can stand, and I can't stand no more. Holy, man the cannons! Cannons? 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 Cannons! Cannons! Alright! Aye, cannons! Dodge this, you purple pushover! The cannon fires! But Animal Logbox teleports! It crashes into one of the marble pillars! And again! Oh no, this is getting bad. The cannon fires again! The left one hits Pepe in the neck. The right crashes into the pillar again. And... Oh no! It's falling! Pepe! No! I never thought I'd see this, folks. Animal Logbox acts to protect Pepe from a collapsing balcony, sacrificing himself in the process. Denied for crushing! Colonel, 2 of the Dexteras have been buried alive and crushed by the breeze, and all you can do is relish in the crushing! Don't worry, Dick Thompson. Thompson, they'll both be fine. Animal Logbox is time traveler, remember? Oh, yes. And realistically, a guy who can control time shouldn't have been number 2 resurrecting himself. Regardless, victory! Ha 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 ha! Save it for your memoirs, Captain. What? How did you? Looks like your time's over. Over, Carpal. Here we go. Time to stop your clock! Here it comes, folks. Here comes the clock stopper.
Tick-tock goes the clock, cradle and increase struck. Tick-tock goes the clock. Time to knock out this cine struck.
What? Well, that could have gone better. No! Will you? Shut your trap, you blasted bird! I think we've seen enough. Enough. Adam and Maybe win tonight's match and the fairy tale kingdom of Pakistan. Oh yes, we really ought to schedule more matches in this country, Dick Thompson. Thompson, it's almost as good as Smalllands. Okay, see you next time, folks.